Welcome to Melanie Riverside Cemetery Beautee. My channel is about Riverside Cemetery, how I take care of it. I have great-grandparents in there, and I love doing ancestry, so there may be some ancestry videos mixed in with my YouTube channel. I love going to the salon and getting my hair done and colored, so look forward for that. And how I take care of my hair, it is lavish and style, and I will give you my works and tips of color hair. And I do makeup lavishly, fashionably, and remarkable makeup looks on my own. I like to do my own style and create my own. Sometimes I like them and sometimes I don't. And there will be mysterious videos where I could be talking about anything, either something going on in my life or something that is interesting to me. I love talking about history-based things and random things, photos and stuff like that. So I hope you guys stay tuned to my channel, and you can always follow me on Twitter. You can follow me on Instagram. You can follow me on my 2 Facebook page. You guys are all welcome. And if you love my channel, feel free to hit the subscribe button. Feel free to ring that bell for all notifications. Just click all notifications. And feel free to comment below. And I hope to see you guys there and grow with me, because you're all now part of the Beautee squad. Alright guys, I will add some photos into here with my videos. I may upgrade this video probably in March. Alright, but this will do for now.